The future of construction is here with Service Partners' purpose-built, professional-grade spray foam trailers. Our top-tier model, the Reactor 3 E30 Elite, is available in both 16-foot and 20-foot trailer platforms. More than just rigs, our solutions are engineered for superior performance and maximum efficiency, meeting all your spray foam insulation and application needs. Built for durability and performance. Choose from electric, hydraulic, and air-driven options. All trailers designed with a heavy-duty steel frame and extra ceiling height to give you the space you need to work efficiently. The insulated ceiling, walls, and floor ensure a stable operating environment, while the reinforced steel diamond plate flooring is built to withstand daily abuse. At the heart of it all is an industrial-grade generator ranging from 22 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt, ensuring continuous operation. The generator and compressor are housed in a separate room, optimizing temperature and noise control for a more efficient workspace, paired with a robust air compressor and industrial-grade air dryer supplying the operation with clean, dry air. A climate-controlled heating and air system helps preserve chemical integrity, increasing your ability to perform a high-quality application. A large hose rack, shelving, and safety features keep operations running smooth. Safety features include fire extinguishers, 15-minute supply emergency eye wash stations, and material bracing. Precision balanced electrical system equipped with sufficient outlets and optimized lighting ensures reliability. Seamlessly integrated into our rigs, the Graco Reactor package of your choice includes a transfer pump supply system providing optimal material feed. While we offer multiple equipment choices, Graco stands as our top-tier solution, delivering unmatched quality and cutting-edge technology. Upgrade to the Reactor 3 E30 Elite for accelerator heated hose with temperature monitoring. Reactor Connect software allows for real-time adjustments, and the advanced Fusion spray gun maximizes efficiency and control. Service Partners supports you beyond the purchase. We equip you with everything needed for success, including insulation material, accessories, parts, PPE, and expert training and support. You'll receive operations and maintenance cards with safety reminders, procedures, and maintenance intervals, plus comprehensive equipment and application binders to keep your investment running profitably. We also ensure your continued success with on-site training through our RigRx Advantage program, nationwide sales support, and a local parts inventory to minimize downtime. While our rigs excel in superior spray foam performance, they are also widely used across multiple industries, including coatings, fireproofing, and insulation. Built for efficiency and durability, our purpose-built rigs get the job done right. Contact us for more information and experience the pinnacle of innovation in insulation technology. Service Partners, your success is our business.